Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to mute ringtone in Note 14 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sound and vibration. Now click on sound and vibration and here you can see the option ringtone, and if you want to mute your ringtone then simply swipe this ringtone to left side fully and it will be mute. The another way to mute your ringtone is click on your volume button and then click on these three dots and here you can mute your ringtone. So this is the way to mute ringtone in Note 14 Pro. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.